Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to block unknown callers on your iPhone. Now if you are getting spam or unwanted calls from unknown callers on your iPhone, you can easily block them by following the steps on in the video till the very end. Now you may simply silence the unknown callers now, or also block all unrecognized number on your iPhone. Now to do so, you need to simply open settings on your device. After opening settings, you will see various options on your setting page. Now you need to scroll down until you see the option of phone. So scroll down until you see the option of phone, or you may search from the very search box. Here you need to search phone. So after searching phone, you need to scroll down and tap on the silence unknown caller option. So you need to scroll down until you see the option of silence unknown callers, which is currently off on my device. So as you can see on the screen, it is currently off. So you need to toggle on the button, and calls from the number not in your contacts will straight go to the voicemail without ringing. So by doing all of it, you may simply block or simply silence the unknown callers, and you may also block a specific unknown caller if they show the number. Now you need to go on the phone on your home page, and on the recent page you will see the number of calls which you have received from the unknown callers. So you need to find the unknown callers, and you need to click on the eyes section, which will be at the very right, and here you need to scroll down and tap on the block caller. So at the very bottom you will see the option of block caller. So you may simply click on it, and the number won't be able to call you, text you, or even FaceTime you. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to block the callers, unknown callers on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.